Problematization of the educational situation. 1. Some students' poor ability to pronounce English vocabulary. For example, this limits their fluency and confidence when speaking. 2. This directly affects English learning because they lack language retention. For example, without good pronunciation, words are harder to remember and use naturally. 3. Lack of language exposure and acquisition. For example, students had limited interaction with authentic English environments. 4. Fear of making mistakes due to anxiety. For example, anxiety reduces participation and slows pronunciation improvement. Conclusions and reflections. 1. The influence of various theories of language acquisition on teachers. For example, which teaching strategies for better pronunciation and comprehension. 2. The importance of repeated practice for achieving more effective retention in English. For example, consistency helps internalize vocabulary and pronunciation patterns. 4. Strengthening language skills, listening, reading, and writing. For example, integrated practice enhances overall language competence and confidence.